Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the defrost timer kit on your refrigerator. It's a pretty easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4" nut driver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a putty knife. Let me show you how it's done. The very first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power supply from the refrigerator. Just simply pull the cord from the receptacle and we can start our repair. The defrost timer is located over on the right hand side of this control housing. We need to remove 2 1/4" HexHead screws that secure the housing to the ceiling of the refrigerator. And we'll remove the 2 knobs in the escutcheon and 2 remaining 1/4" HexHead screws behind. Two screws at the rear have a rather large flat washer attached to them. So we pop the 2 knobs off. Now with the putty knife, just insert it in over the top edge and now gently pry that escutcheon forward. There's some plastic tabs that hold that to the housing. Do this as gently as possible so that we don't break any of the tabs. See the series of tabs fit into these slots along the front. Next we will remove these 2 1/4" HexHead screws. They have a slightly smaller washer on the head of those. As we remove the last screw to support the housing, the capillary tube for the cold control runs along this side, so we don't want to pinch that. There's also linkage for the damper control as well. Frost timer is located here. It's held in place typically with 2 Phillips screws. Simply remove those 2 screws. Reach in, locate our defrost timer. Should have a 4-pin plug on the side of it. Disengage that plug. Take note of the wire colors on that harness, because at this point we'll want to refer to the installation instructions that came with the timer kit to make sure that we connect to the proper version of refrigerator that you have. Following those instructions, we will locate the timer motor wire to the proper terminal as per those instructions. Simply force it down over the spade terminal. Locate our wire harness, reconnect that. Make sure it fits snugly, firmly in place. If your existing defrost timer utilized the 2 Phillips screws, you'll need to replace them with the 1¼ long slot head screws. You may need to enlarge the holes a little bit just for the on the instrument, just open them up a little bit. Just make sure that the holes in the control housing line up with the holes in the new defrost timer. The screws fully inserted, the hex nuts on. And then tighten the screws with a flathead screwdriver. You don't need to use a socket on the nuts, you can typically just hold those with your fingers. Now we'll line the housing up with the two holes in the front, reinstall 1/4" hex head screws. Next, we'll reinstall the two 1/4" hex head screws at the rear of the housing. Install the escutcheon on the front. Tuck the bottom in first. And gently press it tabs into place. Place the knobs. And our repair is complete. So now you know how to change the defrost timer kit on your refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.